Good morning, friends. Today we have a brief difference between the petrol engine and the diesel engine. In case of the, you can say the four-stroke petrol engine and the four-stroke diesel engine difference, right? So in case of the four-stroke petrol engine, we have the carburation mechanism. Here we have the fuel chamber, the venturi, and the another control mechanism. Then from here the air and the petrol, air come from this side and petrol come from this side. It mixes in this chamber, that is on the mixing chamber, right? Here the air and petrol both are get mixed in the proper ratio and it is sent to the cylinder, right? But in case of the diesel engine, we have the injection pump, the priming pump and the pressure pump. The priming pump sucks the diesel from the diesel tank and send it to near to the inlet side of the high pressure pump. The high pressure pump further pumps it and to a high pressure and then send it to the cylinder, right? And where it is further pressurized or atomized by the injector, that is not the fuel injector or simply the nozzle, right? So this is the basic difference between these two, and there is another operation difference, operation warranty difference in both these. Here we have the spark plug to ignite the fuel, air fuel mixture, compressed air fuel mixture, but here we have the mechanism of ignition is different. That is, here we ignite the compressed air by spraying the diesel in atomized form, right? So that is, here we have the nozzle, but here we have the spark plug. Then there is another difference of this these engine is that the compression ratio in this case of the petrol engine is less, but in case of the compression ratio in the diesel engine it is more. Then what do you mean by the compression ratio? Simply, जितना हम इसको सक करते हैं, कितना हमने वॉल्यूम सक किया और कितना हमने इसको कंप्रेस कर दिया, राइट? सो इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ द वॉल्यूम sucked by the engine and the volume, that is the clearance volume, that is the volume after the compression. So it is the total volume of the cylinder and the clearance volume of the cylinder, that is not the compression ratio. That means अगर हम इसमें एक वॉल्यूम, जैसे मान लीजिए हमने 100 सीसी ले लिया, तो हम इसको कंप्रेस कर देंगे. 100 सीसी हमने शुरू में लिया, हम इसको कंप्रेस करेंगे. मान लीजिए आप इसको कंप्रेस करने के बाद आपका जो यहाँ पर जो वॉल्यूम बचता है, मान लीजिए 10 बचता है, तो दैट मीन्स 100 by 10 gets the 10. So here the compression ratio is 10, but here the compression ratio is high compression ratio. कैसे आएगा? हाई आएगा when, let us say for example, we take the 100 cc of the air inside the cylinder in case of the suction, but after the compression the clearance volume, let us say it is the 5. It means the 100 by 5, that means you will get the 20. So that means in this case we have to compress the air at high pressure, right? So that means we have to compress the air more in case of the diesel engine. That means here we get the 100 by 5, that is the 20, and here we get the 100 by 10, that is the 10. So here we have the low compression ratio, here we have the high compression ratio. So when you are compressing the air at a high compression ratio, that means there will be more pressure on the cylinder wall, So that means we have to make the